Hi, I'm Martin Stirling from Hilti, Australia, and welcome to our tool service centre, which is located in the western suburbs of Sydney. In this particular tool service centre, we fix tools from all over Australia. So whether you are sending a tool from Darwin or from Cairns, they all come here, they all get fixed here and get sent back to you from wherever you are. We fix tools that are on fleet management contracts, and we fix tools that are owned outright by our customers. In addition to fixing tools that are on fleet management contracts, we also repurpose and recycle tools that come to us at the end of their fleet management contract cycles. So during this tour that we're about to do, we'll show you a little bit about how that process works as well. So join me as we walk through our tool service centre. When the repair tools are delivered to the repair bench to be repaired by our qualified and experienced technicians, they first do a diagnostic phase to see exactly what is wrong with the tool. And they're ably assisted by our repair standard software, which indicates to them exactly what to do in the event of a particular fault. Then we have a whole range of spare parts in place, ready for them to pick to effect the repair. They'll get a pick list, they'll pick the necessary part, and they'll replace the part that is damaged with a part that can do the job. It's important to note that Hilti products are not just designed to perform well in the construction environment, but they're built to last. Now, when you build something to last, you also need to build something such that it can be easily repaired and it can be easily maintained. It's easy to take apart, and it's easy to replace the spare parts into that tool to make it work again to the design specifications. When tools arrive back with us at the end of their contract, we can do several things with them. We can repurpose them, we can reuse some of their spare parts in repairs, or we can recycle them. When we say we can repurpose them, we can use them as loan tools for fleet management contracts who have tools in for repair, or we can donate them to charities of our choice for their use. And we'll show you a little bit more about how that reprocessing works. Behind me is our loan tool pool. This pool of tools supports our fleet management customers in the event that they need a loan tool to get them by whilst their tool is in for repair. So once they submit a tool for repair, we can send out a loan tool for that period of time. So say for example a customer has a screw gun that is in for repair, we can send a screw gun out for them just to tide them over for when their repair tool gets back to them in time. Behind me is our spare parts reuse area. In this area, we assess spare parts that have been stripped down from our fleet management returns to see if they are fit for purpose. So for example, this is a rotor assembly for a combi hammer. The spare parts that we are allowed to reuse in our repairs are subject to really strict mechanical and electrical assessment to see if they are actually fit for purpose, so they can perform just as well as a brand new spare part in the repair. The spare parts that can't be used and the remaining pieces of the tools from being stripped down are put in the recycling bin. And the proceeds that we get back from recycling, we donate to our charity of choice in Australia, which is Can2. We don't just recycle tools in our tool service centre, but we also need to focus on responsibly recycling lithium-ion batteries that come back to us at the end of their fleet management contract. The majority of a lithium-ion battery is actually recyclable. So we package them up and send them back to our recycling partners for responsible recycling at the end of their lives. So I hope we've been able to give you some insights into what you get when you partner with Hilti. You get tools that are designed to withstand the rigors of the construction environment, but you're also getting tools that have been designed to be maintained. They can come into us, we can fix them and send them back to you. More than just that, at the end of their lives, we can take those tools and repurpose and recycle them. And that is a true example of the circular economy at work.